दाबर च्यवनप्राश प्रो रेसलिंग लीग सीजन 4 को पावर्ड बाय अमूल में देवियों सज्जनों अब वक्त है मेंस 86 यानी 86 किलोग्राम वर्ग कुश्ती मुकाबले का। देवियों सज्जनों दिल्ली सुल्तान्स की ओर से आ रहे हैं भारतीय मूल के प्रवीण कुमार। दाबर च्यवनप्राश प्रो रेसलिंग लीग सीजन 4 को पावर्ड बाय अमूल में इस बाउट के लिए यूपी बंगाल की ओर से आ रहे हैं जॉर्जिया मूल के इराकली निशितुरी।
Ladies and gentlemen, right now we have Praveen Kumar, who is stepping in, 22 years old, representing Delhi Sultans. His opposite Georgia's Irakli Nisituri, representing UP Dangal. I'm Joe Barton, waiting for this very wonderful bout, which is men's 86 kilogram bout. With me in the combox, the CEO, the gentleman himself, Mr. Sunil Yash Kalra. Sir, how do you see this bout going, and which direction do you think it's going?
Well, in fact, I'm still in the awe of what happened just a few minutes ago. What we experienced was historic moment in the Indian women's wrestling, and that should be savored for a little longer. But coming back to this, I think it's going to be an equal bout. Naveen versus our Isituri, and it looks, yeah, I think it needs to be seen how it shapes out. But again, the Russian looks far more in control as compared to the Indian.
Yeah, because Irakli, as of now, we can see that he has been in action in the European under-23 since 2016. And if in 2018 he's still under 23 category, and where in the European under-3 championship he won a silver medal, that means he's still under 23 almost.
Same goes for Praveen as well. I mean, he's a new find, but at the same time, I think he's a little low on international exposure as compared to the international Irakli.
Yes, of course, Praveen Kumar. So technically, we can say this is his debut season.
Yes, for sure.
So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. I think he would be enjoying this exposure, but looking forward to a win, of course. Praveen Kumar, 2018 National Championship gold medal winner, 2018 Asian Junior Championship gold medal winner. So I think he is there in the running as of now, because both the teams have not scored any of these.
I think the larger point here, Joe, is that, the talent pool has increased. Now coming back to the bout, Praveen is in a little bit of a spot of bother.
Why is he looking around rather than defending himself? That's pretty, and that's the gator roll that we were looking at. Is he, yes, being successful, but then by the end of the day, it finished. This move, it did all the damage that possibly could have. It's a 6-pointer.
I think it's a lack of experience. When he got entangled, he knew exactly that he had to get away, but unfortunately
he went defensive. He was sprawled all across, all fours, but then again he was looking around. I wonder why.
I guess he was looking for the time, or his coach, just to get the next advice from the coach, who's a seasoned campaigner, by the way, Sujit Man.
Okay, Coach Sahib, Sujit Man has been with us for a while.
He's also in the 4th season.
Oh, lovely.
Look at the support. Now look at the beauty. People are screaming for UP.
Yes, of course. It's not the nationality that counts. It's the teams that they have come for. And
Yes.
these wrestlers are forgetting from where they belong. They
Yes.
come in and they fight for the honor of the team. As of now,
That's the beautiful couple who just won the match today, Sarita Maan and her husband Rahul Maan, on the screen a while ago.
well, yeah, it's happy time for them today because that was quite a bout that we got to see.
I have a backstory for that. The moment Sarita Maan lost, Rahul did not speak to her the entire day.
Oh
the
my
next
God.
day, and then he just promised that he will take her for a ride after she wins the bout today to Delhi.
Yes. Right now we can see a 6-point advantage that Irakli has. And of course, I'm still waiting for the next two bouts, which are quite amazing. The 125 and the 62-kilogram bout. Sakshi Malik there. And of course, Georgi Skandalidze.
Yes.
He's been also a brilliant guy as of now when we can see.
Yes, Satinder is again a crowd favorite, but on technical tenacity and points, I think Georgie would have some advantage here.
As of now, Praveen trying his might to get back into the game. Because as we can see, with a 6-point lead, Irakli. And then you could see that in his follow-through, got a little too carried away, Praveen Kumar, so he was given a word of caution because that was a little dangerous play. And that's Irakli going in. Is he going to be able to do that or not? That is what's being seen. Went in to attack, but I think Praveen Kumar was pretty much there, in control.
I think you've got to give it to the young boy, Praveen, because the entire enormity of the situation is getting on to him. He may be a little nervous, and it was evident when he lost those 6 points at one go. But again, he's standing tall and just facing Irakli.
Of course, a little disadvantage for both the wrestlers is the fact that they're facing each other for the first time as of now but in this season. And this is where it is interesting because he does not have any clue, both the wrestlers, about the other person's defense or the attack styles.
Yes, but you must also realize that the Indian coach would have filled in the foreign player about the playing styles of Praveen, because ultimately they go back into their own national camps and they train under Sujit Maan and coach Jagbinder, and they have notes to share. But whereas the foreigner is concerned, there is a slight disadvantage to the Indian because they don't know exactly what practice methods and what are their strengths or weaknesses. Joe?
It's a combat sport, Sunil, and when we get to see that it is such a proximity. But then again, once you attack, you have to have enough room. Now, this is the irony. You are going close to attack, but still have enough room to finish that move. Leg room or elbow room, as we must say. So it's an irony in itself that you don't use punches, you don't use the uppercuts or the jabs. You only go attack for the thighs or below the belt, so we say, quite intentionally, obviously.
Yes.
And then get the opponent off balance.
Yes, and it requires split-second decision-taking. Once Bajrang, the brilliant Bajrang told me that wrestlers are the smartest people because they have to take strength, size, and that quick decision in a split of a second.
But it won't be possible as of now because there you have it, the bell rings. Of course, Praveen looking disappointed. There was a disappointment on his face. But a clear winner as of now from UP Dangal. It is Irakli Misituri. Now, he's from Georgia, the young boy, as we can see on your TV screens.